I absolutely love mango cocktails. And for you guys at home, you know, mango cocktails, they are synonymous with rum traditionally. But I wanted to kind of rock something a bit different out for you, give you some inspiration, some cocktail inspiration. This is actually a gin-based cocktail. This would be a great one to rock out for parties. Or if you've got pubs and bars, this would be an awesome, awesome cocktail for your menus. Now, I've started to kind of try and rope in members of the Drinkstuff team to kind of help me out and name these cocktails. So we've got 4 people that have tried to come up with names. So I'm going to read the names out for you too. I'm going to give them a shout out as well. But what I want you to do at home when you're watching the video, just kind of pick your favourites. Kind of put your favourites in the comments below. Help us out and choose a name for this cocktail. So let's give the first one a shout out. Gemma Bryson. She's one of the dispatch team over at Mildenhall. She's come up with Harley Quinn. I like that. That's a very good name. We've got Julie H over in the head office there. She's kind of regional development for the West and Wales and Ireland. Julie's, I like this one. Quintessentially, because of the Quince Gin, quintessentially fruity. We like that. Anastasia, she's over at HQ as well. She's come up with, she's one of the pricing and kind of marketplace analysts. She's come up with a Cheeky Delight, like that one. And then Claire, one of the HR girls as well. She's come up, I like this one. Zesty Queen Bee. Which one are you going to choose? Right, so let me run you through the ingredients for this cocktail. Obviously, we've got some mango, Monin Mango Syrup there. You can use Mango Puree, Funkin' Mango. Just be aware that this is sweetened. So if you're going to go like Funkin' Mango Puree, just you might need to add a little bit of sugar because that would then be the equivalent of that. I've got some Whitely Neill Quince Gin. I haven't used this for ages, but it's a lovely kind of gin. Quince kind of gives like apple and pear forward flavours. Absolutely lovely. I've got Cazcabel Honey Tequila. Ignore the tequila. I'm just going purely for a honey liqueur. I wanted a bit of boozy honeyness, and that's kind of what I use for a honey liqueur. You don't really get too many tequila notes from it, but it is a lovely, lovely liqueur. We've got ODK lime juice. It's 100% lime juice, tiny bit of antioxidant, long life, shelf stable. I've got Rubicon's fizzy sparkling passion fruit soda. We've got Angostura bitters, and we've got Stillabunt magic foamers. You can get the foamers, you can get the lime, and you can get the mango, all from Drinkstuff. So this is a shaken cocktail. So the first ingredient we are going for, just in this order, I'm going for my mango syrup. Now I'm going for 15 ml, half an ounce of that. Lovely vibrant mango syrup this. Second ingredient I'm going for is my honey tequila. As I say, think of it more as a honey liqueur, that's all. So we're going to get the same amount again, 15 ml, half an ounce. Then ingredient number 3 is our base alcohol. So this is Whitely Neill's Quince Gin. As I say, apple pear forward. It's absolutely delicious. We're going for 45 ml, 1.5 ounces. Really vibrant. Oh, tasty, tasty gin. Then we're going for some lime juice. As I always say, if you want to freshly squeeze, be my guest. But this stuff is cheap as chips. It's great to have around. And I'm just going for 15 ml. Half an ounce of this, long life, shelf stable. Then I'm just going for some bitters, just your favourite aromatic bitters, and I'm just going for 2 dashes. Then I'm just going for my foamers. Obviously there's a fizzy kind of sparkling mixer going with this, so I just want it for effect. I want that nice sort of froth on there. So we're just going for 8 little drops. I think these are really cool to have about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No need to dry shake these, as I am going to be adding a fizzy mixer. So we're just going straight for the shake, plenty of ice, and a good hard shake for 10 to 12 seconds. When that is nice and chilly, I'm just going to add my fizzy soda, and I'm going for 60 ml, 2 ounces, double bubble of passion fruit soda. Now I'm just going to serve this up in your favourite highball glass. I've just got that, again, available from Drinkstuff. Just going to put some fresh ice in there, and then I'm just going to single strain this over the top. Lovely jubbly. And then just simply to garnish, I've got a little lime with some maraschino cherries and an umbrella. If you want even more mango syrup inspiration, then click that video popping up on screen right there. As always, if you like our videos, big old thumbs up, please. And if you haven't done so already and you don't want to miss any of our future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.